how to permanently delete Epic Games account. So first, what you want to do is just simply go to the Epic Games website in your browser, then just simply sign in to your account first that you want to delete. So once you're signed in, just simply click on your profile icon on the top right corner, then click on account. Wait for it to load, and once you're in account settings, just simply scroll down to the very bottom, and here you will see delete account option. So click request account delete to start the process of permanently deleting your Epic Games account, including all personal information, purchases, game progress, in-game content, Unreal projects, and Epic Games wallet account. So once your Epic Games account is deleted, your wallet balance will be permanently deleted as well. And if you request to delete your account will be deleted in 14 days. So during this time, you can log in to reactivate your account, which will cancel your deletion. So if you will click on the request account delete right here, your account will be deleted in 14 days. But if you log into your account during those 14 days period, of course, your account will be reactivated and the deletion will be canceled. So after you're done reading all that, just simply click on request account delete and click on delete account there. Just wait for it to load, and now you will need to go to your email and put the security code or verification code that was sent. So I now have the security code right here, and just simply click on confirm account deletion. You could also select a reason. Let's say you have another account that you will use, or you could also skip this if you want. Just wait for it to load. Now your account has been deactivated. So it says here, if you change your mind, you can just simply log in with your account. But if you're good, just simply click on log out. Now that will basically log out of the Epic Games account. And that's how you basically delete your Epic Games account permanently.